All right. Well, hey, thank you for doing this. Is there anything else that you would want to share? Anything else that you want to, kind of any last parting comments you have that you want to put out there?
Well, I would think the only thing I would say is that this program, I think the importance of the program for me was the consistency of having it run all year, an ongoing program. The one thing about past training that I've had in my past life, it's either been maybe a 2 or 3 day seminar that you would send your team to, or have somebody come to train with your team. But when they go away, if you don't use it, you lose it, and it becomes more problematic for that to be consistent and to maintain that. I find that the way our process works working with FPG is it allows us to continue to evolve and grow. And the thing that I think that really bodes well for our team is when we have our calls and when we have our biweekly calls, what that does is everybody is together on that call and there's a lot of learning. And the one thing about business, it doesn't matter how long you've been in business, you're going to learn something new every day. And when you're working on a call and you're talking about a specific topic and you're getting people to collaborate, talking about that specific idea or thought for the day, everybody's going to learn from that. And I find that that's very invaluable. And I find that that's really helped us as a team grow collectively, but it creates accountability and it just creates some nice collaborative thought process with the discussion point, and we've been able to grow, and everybody is on side, and the engagement has been great.
Awesome. Cool. Well, thank you. Thanks for doing that, Rob. I appreciate it. I think that's great. I think that's covered some good ground for us. So I appreciate it.